Huwag na ninyong isali yung mga Hall of Famers. Medyo hintayin ninyo silang bumaba na naman. Tapos, give them a try to. Kasi walang macho. Look at Davao. It's not really very peaceful. But you have been there. You can go out at night anytime. Of course, there are a lot of moros there. Maranao. Mga kaano ko. But they are part of the disciples at kasali yon sa disiplina. Ano we coexist. No? Ano very good. Kaya gusto ko sana pareho ang Pilipinas and Davao, but it's a long shot. Alam mo kasi maraming bright sa Pilipino. Basta nakagraduate lang na ano kung anong sulat. The best of the grammar na maisip nila. And the adjectives. But let them enjoy their talent also.